Hey, good people, this is Wendell here at Gardening with Wendell. Today I'm gonna have another round of harvesting those gherkins, what we call them papiamentu komkomber chiqui. Okay, I'm gonna show you what I have, how much I will harvest, and I may even show you how we will cook this and have the final meal with it. Okay. Hey, see what I got here. That's how many I have today. But I haven't collected these or harvested these the whole week, a few. But today, Saturday, I have enough to make a good meal. All right, stay tuned, guys. All right, I'm here in the kitchen. Okay, I'm getting ready. I will be cleaning these gherkins and get them ready to be cooked. All right, I'm gonna show you exactly how we prepare this meal. It's one meal that we like where I'm from, that's Curacao. So I'm showing you this. Maybe you like it and you want to try it yourself. All right? Now they're clean. The next step is to cut them. Okay, we're gonna cut them in four, and we have to take out the seeds. Okay. Okay. See that? Cut them in four. Right? Go back a little bit and show the holes. Go. As you can see, I have a helper here. Okay, appreciate that. All right. Yes, you can do it. Now we have them ready, cut in four, and it's time to take out the seeds. Okay, that's what we're gonna do now. So this is what we got after we took out all the seeds. Not all. You can't take them all, but you take most of them out. So it will be pleasant when your food is done. You don't want to have a food with too much seeds in them. Okay. So here we got the water with all the seeds in them. We're gonna strain them. We're gonna put them through the strain so we can keep the seeds. I'm gonna keep the seeds and save them. In the meantime, my daughter's gonna get some potatoes ready because we're gonna use potato. Okay. We're going to use some chicken for this meal, but actually you can use different meats. You can use goat meat, you can use regular meat, beef. And where I'm from, some will use like 3 different kind of meat, and also they will add like a pork tail, all of that. But I'm gonna keep it simple, just some marinated chicken. That's what we're gonna use here. So our chicken is ready. As you can see, I add some green peppers and some tomato from my own garden. Okay, and the potatoes are here ready, and the gherkin. So it's ready. We're ready to put everything in the pan. The chicken is now halfway cooked, so the potato is gonna go in. Okay. All right, now the potato is cooked. So it's the last thing is to put in the gherkin. Okay, so what we're gonna do. And we'll let them cook till they get soft. There you go. Mix. You want to smash some of the potato? Oh, okay. Only the it's off. Okay, this too. This meal wouldn't be complete with this last part. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of brown sugar to give it a little bit of sweetness. That's how we like it. Okay, not too much. Just a little bit. And that's the last part. We just let it cook for a few minutes. And this stew will be complete. I realized that okay, the gherkin is not enough. I mean, I wish I had more, but I'm telling you, this vegetable is gonna be one of my favorite next year. I will be planting more, and what I like about it is even though we had so much drought in Texas this year, this gherkin, as we call it, komkomber chicky, it grew and it produced. So next time I'm gonna start early, and I'm sure I'm gonna have way more gherkin to cook. All right, I haven't eaten this komkomber chicky stoba for years, and this year I decided to plant it, and here I'm eating it for the second time. I'm about to eat it for the second time. It's about to be ready, so. Nice. It's gonna be good. Alright. That's my daughter, okay. The meal is ready, guys. Komkomber chicky stoba. That's gherkin stew. Alright. So we're gonna serve this with rice. Stay tuned. Alright, the dinner is served. As you can see, my wife just served me this gherkin stew, what we call komkomber stoba, with some rice, and we're gonna enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let's say till next time. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Wow, this is good. Yummy, yum, yum.